In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Barclays Bank app if it's not working properly. Whether you're having trouble logging in, experiencing crashes, or dealing with any other issues, I'm here to walk you through some common solutions to get your app back on track. First, you'll want to check if the problem is on Barclays' end by looking to see if their services are experiencing any outages. A simple way to do this is by visiting the website status.uk.barclays. If you find that the servers are indeed down, there's not much you can do but wait for them to resolve the issue. If everything seems fine on their end, make sure your app is up to date. Head over to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store for Android devices. In the search bar, type Barclays, and if you see an option to update, go ahead and do that. Keeping your app updated ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes which could potentially solve your issue. Sometimes all your phone needs is a quick restart to clear out minor bugs or app freezes that could be causing problems. Simply turn your phone off and back on again, and then try reopening the Barclays app. Next, let's make sure that your internet connection is solid. Check if you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and if you're having connection issues, switch between the two to see if that helps. Always aim for the strongest possible connection for the app to work properly. Now, if you're using an Android device, clearing the app cache might do the trick. Navigate to your phone settings, select apps, then choose Barclays. From there, go to storage and hit clear cache. By doing this, you remove any temporary files that may be causing issues. After you've cleared the cache, try reopening the app. For iPhone users, the equivalent step would be to delete and reinstall the app to achieve a clean slate. If clearing the cache didn't solve the problem or you're using an iPhone, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app entirely. This process can resolve more persistent issues. Uninstall the app from your device, then head back to your app store, download it again, and log in with your details once more. Finally, if you've tried all of these steps and the app still isn't working, it might be time to reach out to Barclays support for further assistance. You can give them a call at 0345 734 5345 if you're in the UK, or you can visit their help website at barclays.co.uk/help for more options. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to having a fully functional Barclays Bank app once again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped solve your issue.